Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today in this lecture we will discuss about amplitude, time period and frequency of a vibration. Okay, in my previous lecture I have told you about the to and fro motion of an object is called vibration. Let me write it again. The to and fro motion of an object is known as vibration, and this motion is also called as oscillatory motion. Okay students, so this I have already told you in my previous lecture, and this motion is also called as oscillatory motion. Students, kindly keep in mind that if it come in exam that what is oscillatory motion, so you can directly write the to and fro motion of an object is called as oscillatory motion. Okay students, so now comes to what is amplitude, time period and frequency of a vibration. So you have also studied in your earlier classes about the oscillatory motion and its time period. So let me draw what is oscillatory motion. Can I say that this is the oscillatory motion? Okay, means an object or a thread going to and fro comes back to its original position and then again goes back, then comes back to its original position. This motion is called as oscillatory motion. Okay, all these are equal in height. So let me first tell you what is amplitude. So student, the height means the maximum, you can say it is the amplitude, the maximum distance a object covered from its original position, means it is the original position and the maximum distance covered on each of the side is called as the amplitude. So here I am writing it the amplitude. Now, what is frequency? Frequency is, or I will tell you the time period after that, the number of oscillations. The number of oscillations per second is called as frequency of oscillation. Okay students, means in a 1 second how many oscillations, means this is one oscillation, this is another oscillation, now this is third. So let's say in 1 second this string or this sound curve makes 3 oscillations, so I will say that the frequency is 3 oscillations per second, or you can say it is measured in hertz. So what is the unit of oscillation is hertz, so you can directly say 3 hertz. The oscillation of this sound curve is 3 hertz. And what is the time period is 1 by frequency. The relation between the time period and the frequency of the oscillation is inverse. So I hope you guys are pretty clear about what is the amplitude, means the maximum height up to which this sound curve goes, means this part. Let me take a different color. So this height is called the amplitude, and the Frequency is told as the number of oscillations per second. Let's say in 3 seconds it makes 3 oscillations. So I will say the frequency is 3 hertz. Okay. And what is the time period? The time period is inverse of the frequency. So I hope students you are pretty clear about what is frequency, time period and amplitude of simple oscillation, or you can say vibration. And if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then feel free to comment in the comment section, students. I will be happy to help you guys there. And also download the app of Scholars Learning from App Store or Play Store. Okay, and if you have already did, then do share it among your friends. Thank you, students. Keep enjoying our work. Thank you.